So, about to make a daily life video. I just got done doing my morning routine. I probably should have showed you guys that, but it's pretty much just I brush my teeth, take a shower, get dressed, and I leave for the bus stop. I'm going to the bus stop right now. It looks pretty empty. And I'll see you guys at school. Wow.
It's your JV number.
I'm gay for that.
Gay!
Yeah, fire drill. What's up, Danny? That's it? I don't know. Alright, so when you first start being bad?
Probably last year. That's when we always fuck around school. We would always fucking we would go around the hallways, throw a desk, bang on doors and run, throw water bottles, and what else? Throw food in the lunch tables, skip, what else? Curse out all the teachers.
Boy, if you don't
Smoke in the classroom, smoke in the bathrooms, all them dab pens and shit. We chiefing them bitches and shit.
Wow.
And then what else would we do? Oh yeah, we will always throw oranges and shit at the teachers, and when they're not looking, we just look around and shit. And then what else?
Start doing that,
Like
were you good before? Oh shit. You weren't good? So you always been bad your whole life? Just getting in trouble?
probably my middle school year. That's when I started acting
In
bad.
middle school? Have you ever been arrested?
Fucking where was that place? I went to Butera on the east side, and I tried to steal a bunch of candy, and I failed because when I was walking out, I was trying to move something, and the fucking candy fell on my my pants, and they called the cops on me, and they took my ass to jail for theft.
Why didn't you run? Alright, second time today, somebody just pulled a fire alarm again. Look, everybody out here. Second time today, I'm with Gabriel right here, right now. The boy, Ernick, for the vlog.
What's up, man? We out here in the vlog, man. Subscribe to my boy Gabby. If you don't, you're gonna have sleep paralysis. King on!
On the way to the baseball game with the boys. Hey,
Am I getting dumb?
about to get this dub.
I got a sandwich.
Who are we versing?
Fuck West Aurora.
We're going against West Aurora.
Hey, Gavin, I got a sandwich. Fuck y'all.
What up?
Hey, where's White? Let me hold the camera. You got to look the good-looking one.
Ooh.
I know that's
Oh,
what
that's
we're doing
our
right now.
fit.
Hey, that's what we're doing right now.
Hold this.
Say please.
Please.
I'm no bitch.
He's doing it for the camera. How do I flip the camera? I don't think you can actually. It's tight. They want to look at me anyways.
Boy, if you don't...
Look at this. Look at these boys. Look at that. Yes, boy, we finna get this.